Okay, this is the syllabus review, and I'm just going to open this now, and we're going to go through it. Kind of the highlights here are the course outcomes. Remember, you need 4 hours worked on your evidence-based project in your work environment with your preceptor outside of your working hours. This is the main course we'll be working with, the main text, sorry. The rest of that you can read yourself. Obviously, the essentials have been updated. I think they're 2011 or 2001, I can't remember. Okay, so the course overview, I think I did a project overview, and this is a syllabus overview. And remember that Dolores is working on some library orientation for you. You need your evidence-based project topic to be posted on Moodle by midnight tonight. All right, and then these are the things we're working on. So the evidence table is due by midnight on the 16th, and then we discussed this under the project, but I want you to upload it under the Dropbox, and then once I approve it, you can upload it to week 7, all right? And then you have an executive summary. So here are the outcomes and the chapters for you. And just most all your resources are available on Moodle. You might have to utilize the library. For some things, here is the project that I discussed with you. And I think that is about it. All right. If you have any questions, let me know. I just wanted to be sure to point out the clinical hours, the course expectations, and that you read those, and then there's the calendar. All right? Thanks so much. This wasn't very long. I could have put it under the other video. Sorry about that.